How do I start blogging? Start a blogging can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. Here are the steps to get you started. 1. Choose your niche. Select a topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you stay motivated and produce quality content. Common niches include travel, food, technology, fashion, lifestyle, personal finance, health, and fitness. 2. Pick a blogging platform. There are several platforms to choose from. Popular ones include WordPress.org, highly customizable and self-dash, hosted.com, WordPress.com, hosted version, easier but with some limitations, Blogger, free and easy to use, owned by Google, Medium, great for writers who want a built-in audience. 3. Choose a domain name and hosting domain name. Choose a unique and memorable domain name. Use sites like Namecheap or GoDaddy to purchase it. Hosting. For self-hosted blogs like WordPress.org, you'll need a hosting provider. Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. 4. Set up your blog. Install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation. Choose a theme. Select a theme that suits your style and niche. There are many free and paid options available. Customize your blog. Adjust the settings, design, and layout according to your preferences. 5. Create essential pages. Start with some basic pages. About page. Introduce yourself and explain what your blog is about. Contact page. Provide a way for readers to reach you. Privacy policy and disclaimer. These are essential for legal and trust reasons. 6. Start writing content. Plan your content. Create an editorial calendar to plan your posts. Write high-quality posts. Focus on creating informative, engaging, and valuable content. Use images, videos, and other media to enhance your posts. SEO optimization. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and proper headings to make your content search engine friendly. 7. Promote your blog, social media. Share your posts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Engage with other bloggers. Comment on other blogs and join blogging communities. Email marketing. Build an email list to keep in touch with your readers. 8. Monetize your blog. Optional. Once you have a steady flow of traffic, you can explore monetization options. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Ad networks. Display ads on your blog through networks like Google AdSense. Sponsored posts. Partner with brands to create content. Selling products, services. Offer your own products, courses, or services. 9. Analyze and improve analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your traffic and understand your audience. Feedback. Encourage reader feedback and use it to improve your content and blog. 10. Stay consistent. Regular posting. Consistency is key to growing your blog. Stick to your editorial calendar. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest blogging trends and SEO practices. Starting a blog involves effort and dedication, but with passion and persistence, you can build a successful and enjoyable blogging journey. Good luck.